Hi, Dr. John here. I'm making this video to show you how I use the peroxide inhalation therapy. I've been using peroxide inhalation therapy now for over 5 years, and I have not gotten the flu or even a cold since I started using this therapy. I inhale 6 pumps of 3% peroxide twice a day. I get that mist in my lungs, and I'll show you how to do that. But I want to make sure you buy the right peroxide. Do not buy food grade peroxide to do this. Just buy regular old 3% peroxide that you get in the drugstore. This bottle should last you and your family about a year. 97 cents for a year's worth of antibiotics. Now here's the way you do this. You have to get 6 pumps into your lungs. I don't care if you use 1 breath, 3 breaths, 6 breaths, it doesn't really matter. It's just 6 pumps, 6 times a day if you are symptomatic. If you don't have any symptoms, I just do it morning and night, 6 pumps. And I'm going to show you how I do that. I exhale all the air. That was 6 pumps on 1 breath. Some people can't do it on 1 breath. I'll do it on 2 breaths. 3 pumps on each breath. Six pumps. I think if you do this, you'll be amazed at how much it decreases the bacterial and viral count in your body. I've had no side effects. I've been doing this for over 5 years, and the results have been absolutely fantastic. Thank you, and have fun with that.